Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Nizara Wagh. I'm a homeopathy doctor and a psychological counselor practicing in Pune. So as I had mentioned earlier, this is going to be a series of videos in which I will be speaking more or explaining more about the different aspects of anxiety. So आज हम लोग बात करेंगे कि एंजाइटी की इस तकलीफ में एक्चुअली क्या फील होता है या क्या महसूस होता है. So let's quickly go to the symptoms of anxiety. Now these symptoms are basically divided into two types. One is the physical symptoms and the other is the psychological symptoms. So in physical symptoms, the most common one or the one which comes the first is palpitations. We are suddenly very aware or very conscious of our heartbeats. We generally don't feel our heartbeats that much, but when a person is suffering through anxiety or an anxiety attack, he becomes extremely aware of his heartbeats. दिल की धड़कनें हमें सडनली महसूस होने लगती हैं and the heartbeats start going very fast. So that is one thing which is first noticed by us. The other thing is perspiration, or we can also call it as sweating. Whenever a person is going through an anxiety episode, there is lot of sweating which occurs. The person can get drenched in sweat. The other symptoms or the other things that can occur is trembling or shivering. बहुत ही ज़्यादा डर लगने लगता है and the body starts shivering. A person can also suffer from cold hands and feet. पैर और हाथ suddenly बहुत ही ठंडे पड़ जाते हैं. Or we can also suffer or experience tingling sensations in our hands and feet. We can also start having difficulty in breathing. सांस लेने में तकलीफ होने लगती है. थोड़ा सा भी चल लिया, थोड़ा सा भी exertion कर लिया तो सांस नहीं आती. It becomes very difficult for us to breathe. We can also have other experiences like nausea. We can also suffer from diarrhea. पेट खराब हो गया है ऐसे लगता है. Frequently urination के लिए जाना पड़ता है. We can also have different symptoms like random aches and pains. Suddenly body के कोई भी एक जगह पे pain होने लगता है. हमें नहीं पता कि ये क्यों हो रहा है, but we start experiencing these pains in different aspects of the different parts of the body. Some people can also have chest pains. Now, of course, whenever a person is going through chest pain or any kind of back pain, we should go and get ourselves checked. But this is a very common symptom in people having anxiety. The other thing that can happen is giddiness or dizziness. चक्कर सा आने लगता है. ऐसे लगता है कि सब कुछ हिल रहा है या फिर we are not able to stand properly. कुछ लोगों को ठीक से नींद भी नहीं आती. It becomes very difficult for a person to get a proper sleep. It can happen that sometime maybe when a person was trying to go to sleep and he has suffered from some or the other symptom of anxiety, and that is one thing which gets stuck to his mind and he starts feeling scared to go to sleep again. Some people can also experience some or the other stuck sensation in the throat. ऐसे लगता है कि गले में कुछ अटक गया है. There is some difficulty to swallow. Or there can be dry mouth. जब हमें डर लगता है तो मुंह एकदम सूखा पड़ जाता है. And that happens when a person is suffering from anxiety. So these were like the general symptoms or the physical symptoms of anxiety. Now I'll tell you about the psychological part of it. So if we speak in terms of the psychology or the mind symptoms, one very common symptom is the feeling of danger or feeling of doom. We feel that there is nothing good that is happening around us. There is something which is making us very low and making us feel scared about our surroundings. A person can also start feeling very restless. It is very difficult to be very calm whenever you are going through an anxiety episode. We just start feeling very uneasy and restless internally. And this is one symptom which really troubles a lot of people. सब कुछ ठीक लग रहा है पर तो भी लगता है कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. We are not able to place that what is the thing that is causing fear in us. डर लगता है but किस चीज से डर लग रहा है ये बता नहीं सकते. Another thing which is very common in anxiety is unnecessary worries. हर चीज की, हर छोटी बात की टेंशन होने लगती है। हस्बैंड ने ठीक से खाना खाया है कि नहीं, बीवी टाइम से घर आएगी कि नहीं, बच्चे स्कूल में ठीक रहेंगे कि नहीं, मैं अगर गाड़ी चला के जा रही हूँ तो मैं ठीक से वापस तो आ जाऊंगी, कहीं एक्सीडेंट तो नहीं हो जाएगा। ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो दिमाग में चलते रहती हैं कंटिन्यूअसली। And these continuous thoughts and continuous worries about each and every small thing starts becoming very irritating. And these thoughts, continuous thoughts, somewhere can get you to this point where you question yourself that am I going crazy? Is everything okay with me? So ये एक thought हमेशा कभी ना कभी तो दिमाग में आ ही जाता है कि मुझे कोई तकलीफ तो नहीं हो रही है। Because of these continuous thoughts and these overthinking patterns, we become extremely irritable. हर छोटी चीज पे चिड़चिड़ होने लगती है, हम कोई भी चीज में ठीक से concentrate नहीं कर पाते, focus नहीं कर पाते. All of these things at one point also start affecting our sleep and dreams. नींद तो ठीक से नहीं आती है, but whenever we get sleep, a person can start getting nightmares or scary dreams. And in this way, anxiety starts affecting each and every aspect of our life, be it physical or psychological. So one thing I would like to tell you that all of these symptoms that I narrated or that I told you right now are because of one very simple mechanism in our body. So basically our body is designed to fight any danger whenever it comes our way. Now there is a response that is called as fight or flight response. मतलब या तो उस डरावनी चीज से लड़ो या वहां से भाग जाओ. And whenever this fight or flight response is triggered, there is release of a hormone called as adrenaline. Adrenaline ये chemical होता है जो body में secrete होता है, and all of these symptoms that we experience in anxiety are because of this adrenaline. Now normally what happens is whenever there is some kind of a scary situation around us, our body gets alert to defend itself, to either fight or run away from that situation. But in people suffering from anxiety, what happens is that वो डर कौन सी चीज से लगना चाहिए या फिर क्या dangerous situation है, उसका जो setting है वो थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो जाता है. Because of that, completely unharmful things or non-dangerous things also seem to be very scary for us, and that's why in those people the fight or flight response gets triggered very easily and adrenaline gets secreted very quickly, and we'll end up having all of these symptoms. So through this video I just want to tell all of these people who have ever suffered from anxiety or who are suffering from anxiety that whatever you have been going through, जो भी कोई symptoms है, please consider them that it is just a normal mechanism of the body. It is nothing wrong that is happening with all of you. ये एक normal response है जो anxiety वाले लोगों में थोड़ा सा exaggerated होता है या थोड़ा सा बढ़ जाता है. बाकी you are completely fine and healthy and normal. So this was all about the different symptoms of anxiety. I hope that I was able to give you a little more understanding about these symptoms. Please do continue to support my channel. Do like and share these videos, and also please subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I will be talking more about how to manage this anxiety or what can be done to get rid of this anxiety on your own. Thank you.